you so much, Aditi, Niharika, Samir, and Devi. Devi. Thank you soon as possible. Please tell your friends to join as soon so we could start. There is a lot to complete. So I'm thinking to complete overall Navisworks. If you give more time to me, then I will clear all the things. If you take time here, I can't do it. Say, can we start by 2 minutes from here, from now? Everyone say yes or no, to wait for some time or 5 minutes like that. Shall we start? Miss Devi, Niharika. Thank you so much, Niharika. Thank you so much, Devi. What about Samir? Samir bhai. Shall we start?
Students, you can unmute your mics and reply. Please keep it interactive. You can happily unmute your mic.
I think Samir has went and just opening and he went like he also did over here. Okay, no worries. Guys, have you got the model which I have shared to the Srinivasa? I hope you got it. Say yes or no. Oh. Okay, please share to them, sir, so they could practice it. It will be easy for them to share. It's like they don't have Navisworks. I already said them yesterday that if you want to download the software, please call me. I just gave them my number to call directly. I'll help them to download it. I think a couple of students called me and asked about the Navisworks software downloads. Have they completed? Like, I don't want to take their names. I think they might have downloaded it and started using it. One thing I can say you that, guys, if you are not practicing, you will forget it. It's like a software is like a healthy hand on them. That much it will give you hand to you. Otherwise, it will leave you. Software is the same. Then again, you have to start from first. So keep practicing it. I have shared you the model as well. I'm trying to share my notes also by today. I'll try to share my notes. Okay. Shall we start? So it's getting late. Sainath, can we start? Aditi, can we start? Lalita ma'am, can we start? Sure. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm feeling a little energetic because it's a rainy day today here, and I just had a time with family and I'm enjoying a lot. And I'll start with good energy, and I hope I'll clear everything to you today. I didn't create any presentation today. I'll go directly to the software. Okay, I'm sharing the screen to you. Is my Navisworks screen is visible to you guys?
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Thank you so much. Guys, visible to you? Just for confirmation. Thank you, Devi. Thank you so much. Thank you, Niharika. Thank you. Okay. So yesterday where I left I left this viewpoint tab, as well as I have cleared the camera. Then I was there in the navigation tool. Okay, I'll clear the navigation tool, render style, sectioning, export at a time. Okay, then I'll go to the review. This is also very important part of the Navisworks. So get ready for that. Okay. Then I'll clear this one. Animation, yesterday I've said you to create one animation. I have cleared all this animation tool. If you want, I'll explain you at the time, at the last. This tool I'll explain you within a few minutes. The last thing I'll explain, this one, class detection, timeline, quantification. It is very easy and I'll explain you very soon, as soon as possible. Okay. So where I was, so this is the steering wheel, we can say, like in the car we are using like steering wheel. It used to give right turn, left turn, move to forward. It's like that. Same here also. When I zoom it, it will zoom over to the model. Okay. If I want to orbit this, I can orbit by using shift command. I can orbit it and I can move it from here to here. I can rotate this one. Orbit is nothing but just rotating it. Rewinding is like where I went over there. I'll show you how. Okay, I'll click on the walkthrough. I'll just move over here. Then I came over back. I don't know what I did before. So what I'm going to do, just clicking onto the steering wheel, what I did, press the rewind button and it will show me where and all I went. So this and all these things. Okay. It's showing me what I did before. So this is the center. So the center is nothing but you have to, if you want to maintain like this one pivot is there, right? It will show you it is in center part. Zoom, I have already said you. This is the basic use of steering wheel. If you have used the Revit, then you can easily get it. Pan is nothing but just holding one thing. I'll just click on the pan. I'll select here. Just holding one thing and lifting to that. While opening the holding option, I'll explain you how pan will be used. Okay, zoom window is used for like selecting one particular tool and zooming it. Like for example, I'm zooming this one pipe, so it is moving nearer to the zoom. It's like it will zoom you and it will show you what and all pipe is there. Like it is having bend and as well as one straight pipe. Then again one bend came. Then again one coupler there. Coupler had they have given. In the mechanical, they have used mechanical guys. They have used this. Like if you want to check if the BIM coordinator, what he will do, he'll just go. If you want to check this pipe, he'll just select here and he'll check it. Okay, he has did something. So I want to check this coupler. He will clear it. That's all. If he finds some mistakes over there, he will check it in the class detection and he will rectify from over there. I'll explain you how the class detection will take place. Okay. Then this option is like I'll explain you how look around will helpful for you guys. I'll just go inside over there. make sure the gravity and collision is turned off. Why? I'll explain you why the gravity and collision should be turned off. First, I'll go press on the shift and roll button to go. I think some people have some problem over here. I think Satya Narayana, please turn off your mic, please. Okay. Thank you so much. So I'm moving this to this row. First, press the shift key to go down by using wheel option in the mouse. So just I went inside. So how it will use this one? I said, look around. See, I can see just pressing the left button in the cursor. Just I can see the total for room. What and all there in the room. By looking down, up, sides, all the sides. Okay, this is the use of look around. Then in walk option, we have walk as well as fly. I have showed you how to do walk, like by just clicking on moving. It's all need practice. For walking, press shift button if you want to move this side. If you want to go to the right side, just click on shift and just right. If you want to go left side, then go like this. Okay. If you want to move forward, just press the left cursor and just move. Okay. Then about fly. Fly is nothing but just it will go fast like an aeroplane. I'll go to the directly to the home. Then I'll show you fly. It's like a drone. Have you seen the drone? Drone or helicopters, if you want to watch it like that, you can watch it by top. Okay. I'll just click on. If you can record this like a drone, I'll show you how. Just record. I've stopped it and then I have played it. See, it's like a drone view you can see over here. Navisworks is very easy. I can say Navisworks is very easy if you just able to know the tools and you can easily get it. Okay, these are the tools of navigation panel. And this about this one, collision is like I'll just go to the walk. How it will gonna use is I just turn on the collision walk. I just enter. Just come to the home. If you have press on the. I think the frames has covered over there. So I'll press click on the options. I'll change the units into feet better. Then I'll go to the navigation bar for changing classic orbit. You can change whatever you want. Steering wheels. If you want to change in the walk speed, I'll just reduce it to very slow. So it will be very easy for you. Where I went, I'll explain you there. See, in the application menu, options, then here you will find in the interface button, click over here and come down, you will find the steering wheels. Here you will find the walk speed. If you want to change, you can change it If you want to reduce it, you can reduce it. I'll just reduce it. What happened? Okay, I understood. Why it is working like that means the gravity and collision has turned off. So while you are coming up, it's natural. While you are coming up, it actually will come down. So what I'm going to do, I'll go to your plan. See, I'll show you how the gravity and collision options will be useful for you. I'll go from this side. I'll go. Okay, take notes from here. I'll just after completing this, I'll give you some notes to. So I just come into the rooms. I come out of it. So I will go to the go down. So it's very tough to manage everything. So all you need is practice and practice and practice. So see, it's very. I'm saying you need at least 1 year to get access to all these things. Okay. So it's my 7th month using Navisworks. So I'm getting a little struggle in walkthrough. So apologies for it. So somehow I managed to come over here. Okay, I'll explain you over here how gravity and collision option is going to help you. I'll explain it here. See, I just want to walk in this step. What I'm going to do, see, I can't walk in the step by using this option. So what I'll do, I'll go to the walk option. Just I'll turn on the collision. Automatically gravity will also activate it. So what I'll do, see, if I just go, it will walk like a man. See, it will walk like a man and you can visualize it. See, it is showing error that you are down out of the. So I'll go another step. And if I just move like the same, okay, I'll come out of the building. So what I'll do, I'll turn off the collision. I'll come out of the building. Okay, just after moving over there, this is the option of walkthrough. That's all. From next, nothing but it won't that much used in the Navisworks. I don't know why it has given for me. Even I also don't know about crowds. I think it's same like Navis collision gravity as well. Because see, if I just select on the crouch, it is selecting all the things. It's like without kicking any wall or hitting on any pipes or like that. I think let's see what this one also option. See, you can't go. Same, I am saying, I think it's same. So what I'm going to do, I'm going using by third person. It means one man will come with me to see that. So I'll move with him. See, the man also will come with me. See, the man also will come with me. I'll go down somewhat. See, the man is with me. Okay. So I'm in the terrace. Now, the man also with me, and here he is also in the terrace. He's watching everything. Like if the client want to see like this, it's like while you are going to the virtual and augmented reality mode, this man will, it's like the client is watching this everything. It will show like this. Okay, nothing but. So this one is okay over. So I'm turning off the third person. Please note it down the steering wheels options. Nothing but you can just take down the note based on your view. Okay. This about the navigation tool, and full lights is nothing but it will give you while applying the material. Okay. See, oh, see, because it's a render mode, so I can't use it because it needs very high quality computers. I think see, by using that command, the model has changed because it has used the see by using the lighting. So there are various options also available over there. See, headlights, no lights, scene lights, it's various kinds of lights. Like no light should be there, it won't be any lights or showing the rendering view of the model. Headlight means at the top the light will be placed. Like for example, if you are going to any function, means you'll find that at the top of the what we called as a on the dais, they'll provide some lights to show clearly to the person who is speaking or teaching something. Okay, so I'm providing no light, so it will give you normal. So there are the modes where you can operate to this. I'll go to the full render mode. So it is already in the full render mode. So I'm going to this shader. It will change. Right? Then if I go to the wireframe, it has changed to wireframe. Okay. It is used. It will be going to use in this glass detection while doing. So here in the case of hidden line, it will show you like a CAD model. Am I right? In AutoCAD, while you're doing 3D in the AutoCAD, it will show like this. That these things will be going to be like this. Okay. So these surfaces and all these things will be used where I'm going to show you in the class detection. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'll make it as a render mode. So this option is very important. Yesterday I thought to say, but due to time consumption I couldn't able to say. So now you can see Okay. See, has sectioned it. Now you can check it over here. It has section. Just I am giving this. So what I'll do. This is the reference plane for moving the. Like see, if I just move a front, it will give you the total building. If you just want to section it, you can totally section the whole building. Suppose if you want that side the section missing as well, what you can do is go to planes. If you want to do by planes, it is a plane one. If you want to do by box, you can box it like this. If you want to move like this, you can box. By using box, you can do both sides. Otherwise, if you just want to do by planes, so what you can do is it is showing you over there. So plane 1, plane 2. It's like 6 planes, 6 views. The Navisworks has a read it that it contains all 6 views. I can show you in 6 views. 6 views like orthographic view. I can show you. So what I am going to do in the alignment. If you want front, so front it will go only front. Okay. So if you want to go left, it will go left. If you want to go by right, you can go by right. But this will be very useful for you. For example, I am taking this one, so I am making it to go back. Okay. See, for example, if you want to show the client view, just go to here. So see, like you can save the viewpoint and mention is like section point, section view of the building in right. Okay, just escape over here. While you go, first let me clear this, then I'll show you the view part as well. Okay, this is the option of the section part. If you want to explain all the things also, I can explain you. Left, right, front, bottom, top. From top also you can section it if you want to. But sectioning tool is very important to you. If you see, it can give you plan as well. Plan of the building as well too. Just if you just select over there. See, from footing you can start. Then how the building has constructed. You can clear everything. Okay. Clear? Any doubts? If you want to rotate, you can rotate the, like how you want, you can rotate. Total building you can rotate. If you just want this view, you can see in this view as well. If you want more deeper, you can do this one. If you want more deeper, you can do like that. Anything. If you want, how you want, you can. The tool which you are going to use based on the project. Okay. I have just shown you one project, simple project, like residential building. I have showed you. For a simple example, I have given the other people what you'll do, they'll just explain the tools, how it's gonna use, you don't know. While you're using the tool, then only you'll let to know. But I'm showing you in the model. Okay. Then any doubts in the sectioning? Anybody? Anybody else? What about other guys? Clear, Shiv? Samir, clear? Lavanya, clear? Janu, Priya? and 𝗕𝗏𝗔𝗊𝗐. I think you guys got a clear idea. I'm believing that, so I can't take that much time in the chat box. Okay, so I'll go move forward. I'm believing that you might have noted it. So coming out of the section, just click on enable section. It will come out of, you will come out of the tab. Okay, I will explain you all the thing. What about these images? Like if you want to image it, I'll explain you while sharing the viewport in the class detection. Okay, so you have, as it means the total image of the model, it has been saved. So I'm just saving it. I'll again save it in the thing. Okay, I'll save it in the desktop. See, I have the image which I have taken is, see, it is visible. Okay, I'll show you in the photos. Open with this. The photo which I have taken is visible. Hold on a second, please. Yeah, okay. This was about, is my Navisworks screen is visible now? I think it is visible. Okay, then I'll go to the review. I'll just go fast and fast for the review option. Nothing but just by going by point, we can measure it. That's all. And if you want to lock it, you can lock it. And in the x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis as well. You're showing some z-axis, like I'm locking the z-axis, it will be locked. Okay, nothing. Just for measuring, it means for reference purpose, you can use it. Then if you want to lock it, or if you want to remove everything, then you can remove it. There are multiple options are there. If you want, I can explain you. But due to time consumption, I think I have to complete everything. So I'm just going to the multiple points. I'll just explain over this. 1, 2. If you want this one as well, so you can measure it. It means these 3 lines are almost 10 feet. One line is 10 feet. Then if you want to go from here to here, it is 14 feet. Okay. Then if you want to see the angle, see, I'm taking this point, and this point. It is 107 degree. Okay. Again, I will go and see. $90. Okay. If you want to see the area of the building, area of the particular roof, you can see the roof as well. It will provide you the area. You want this area of the total roof, you can get this area 58.8. Okay, clear. Then if you just want to clear everything, you can clear it. Then click on text. If you want to write something, like creating some red line over there, like some mistakes is there. Okay, I'll just show you in the just click on here and click on the text, and I'll just click it. The curtain glass got defected. Okay, see here, one view has came over there. I'll just first delete all the frame of the animation, so it will be very easy for you. I'll just delete it. So while clicking on the view, it is showing that what the BIM coordinator will do is just he'll show it over here. What the mechanical he'll just for client reference, he'll just see, sir, I have just defected. I showed him. Then he just clarified it. Okay. Then about this one. This one is very super. Like if you want to just cloud it, just click on here. Like just like showing to them that. So while you're just visible on the view, I've just made one cloud. Okay. And I'll save this. Curtain glass effect. Enter. If I just select over there, okay, it will show me. Then about erase, if you just want to erase everything, like see, if I just drawn the cloud over there, if I want to erase it, what I will do, that's all. Just flat line. I'll show you. Just drag, leave it. Has removed. Okay, from this one also. So if you want to change the color, of the line, say just texting it, I'll just change the color and I'll give the thickness as 10. Okay, let us take roof is not design. Okay, it came in the different. The thickness of the fluid also improved. Okay, the same thing. So this is all about the red line tab. Then when you come to the tag, nothing but just if you are having some problem over in this particular pipe. Okay, I'll just select. See, the options came over here. What I'm going to write is like the pipe has leakage problem. Okay, it has not showed me. Okay, but when you go here, just click on here, it will show me. While click on here, if you want active the pipe, okay, so it has created two tabs. Okay, so how I want to see is it's showing me tag ID as well. If you want to go to the tag, it is showing me this tags as well. If you want to move or changing the tags where what I have did, so you can see over here. If you want to add some comments, it is already there over there. So what I'm going to do, I'll see the comment. edit comment. I'll edit the comment. I'll say approve. When I say okay, it has been approved, then it showing the status as well as who the author has done it, and what it is showing, it is approved. Let us say I'm saying for this, it has resolved. When I click OK, it has showing me resolved. That's all. If you want to find the comment, just the pipe to find it out. So no objects found, it is showing, right? Find comments. So because we have resolved it as well as we have approved it. Okay, not a big deal. Okay, as of now, I have covered almost all the things. This script and scripter will be explained at the last because it's all about simulation. I have explained you about Navisworks freedom. Yesterday, I have explained you how the client gonna see. I can show you this one as well. See, I'll show you. This is about Navisworks. Press left 11 to come back. If you want, it's Navisworks. What I said, Navisworks freedom. Freedom is nothing but visualizing all the things. Okay. When I press play, it is showing me in the 3D view. Okay. Yes, play. That's all. Okay, this is about Navisworks freedom. I almost have covered the Navisworks manage as well. So this is all about for structural things you can use it. For example, let us take, if you want the axis, I'll come out of the, if you want the axis, you can see if you want where it is. If I just move it, it is showing me the axis view. It is not that much necessary while you are using. For reference purpose, you can use it wherever. Okay, I'll just this one turned off too. So about the grid location, I'll show you. It will be used in the structural way. Okay, when I click show grid, it is showing me grid. Okay, then I'm going to show you the grid at top, then above. It is not visible, right? I'll just see here. You can, for reference purpose of columns as well as footing, it is showing me over here. See, okay, it's all about references. Then if it is fixed, means if you want to fix the grid, means no, I don't want to fix it. So I'm just unchecking the grid to remove it. It is not looking too good for me. I've just removed it. And this active grid, which is each one is active, and it is showing me the display level. If I just see, it will show me which one you want. Like for example, I want second floor. If I want the first floor, fourth floor footings, all these things. Okay. Then I already said you about full screen. Press F11 if you want full screen. If you come back, have to come back. Press F11 again. Have to come back. Please note it down. Okay. Then split. This is also an interesting tool. Like one thing, the model will be the same. Another thing, what you can do is you just gonna you just can go and do some work to see. It will be in the at the below. You can see it. It is not moved. Nothing. Okay. This one as well. Just you can go and walk it. It's all about simulation. Okay. I'll just take this one. I'll come to the click on home button to come into the normal stage. Okay. This I'll just turn off the grids. Okay. If you just don't want to show navigation, just press here. It won't come. It has removed. If you just want me, just click on there. It will come over beside the properties palette or save viewpoints palette. Okay. If you don't want the view cube, this one, this area, let us annotate. If you don't, this area, if you don't want this area, just what you need to do is, that's all. Just clear it. Okay. As of now, I remove it. Then about this background, background is nothing but you can change the color of the background of the model. See, when you do this, you should change this. See in the changing some metals, colors. Let's see if we will change them. Oh, why it is not changing? When I did. Oh. Okay, if you want to use the background, means you should have in the shaded portion. Then after that, see, you can check it out. I've just changed the background. For example, I'm changing this one plain to, and I'll apply it. It has changed the background color. If you want any kind of color, you can change. Okay, I'll keep it this one as white. So I'll keep it as white. If I want to change in the graduated and horizon, you can change as well. Okay, that's all about the background. And if you want to view the size, and if you want to change, you can change the width and height of the window size. For example, let us take 400. I'll say apply. It will show the screen in a normal. So I'll just keep it as default. Okay. Then it will show the title bars. It's not that much required. You can see this all about Windows option, what and all options are there. So total, it's like overview of all the options. Then loads work with, if you want to share the load, means you can share it by safe mode. It means you're making this building in a like safe mode. Okay, that's all. If you want to minimize it, you can minimize it. Okay, save workspace means you can save the workspace. Sure. Okay, then about outputs, you can easily get it. Print preview, print settings. If you want to change some print settings, you can change the print settings. And if you want to send by mail, you can send the mail as well. Okay, I just don't want to say. Okay, so then the NWT like publishing the files, all it's all about publishing. If you want to take the image, and you can take the photo of that, and you can do the animation as well. If you want to share the animation video, you can save it. Okay, it has saved. This class test and timeliner I'll show you here. Then what you have, search it and you will show it. Okay, all about viewpoints. I have explained the viewpoint reports, what and all there. If you want to, I have just the Navisworks has just taken a picture of that and it is showing in the HTML way. Okay, if you want, I can show you. I think it's not necessary now. If you want tags of that particular the thing which we have used the tag option, it can also be saved. Okay, that's all about output. BIM 360 is all about auto take this BIM 360, like refreshing the model if you have something problem over there. If you want to add some models, like if your other company is in the foreign, then if you want to share that one, you can connect it the server and you can get the files. Okay. No, I don't want to get to see. It is going to the then it's all about refreshing and appending the model, as you can see it, refreshing it, and all the shared views by using BIM 360, and all about the properties, BIM properties. Then it comes to render. I'll explain this one. It's very tough. It's not tough. It takes lots of time of me. So I'll just wind up this one. I think if possible, if I got 5 to 10 minutes, I'll explain at the last. So I'll come to the Navisworks manage clash detection. Okay. I'll come out of that. Now, okay, be ready, guys. I'll just select to the class detective. Okay, there is what it is showing me. Okay, are you ready, guys? Can I explain it? Are you clear with the other things? Please say yes. What about others? Are you okay? Shall we go? Shall we move further? Or do I want to explain anything? Guys, if you don't interact with me, I don't know what you people gonna doing. I know it's Sunday, it's your holiday, so I can understand it. So tell me, guys, how can I? Shall I start this one clash detection part? I hope I'll start it. What I can do is, see, just I'll extend it. If you want to change these places, like here, I want here, come here. If you want to place here, means you can place here. If you want to place here, means it will place here. I'll just extend it over here for better viewing. Okay, so what I'm going to do, note it down, please. I'll just click on the add test. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'll have to check the clash detection between mechanical to sprinkler. Okay, I'll just enter it. Then what I'm gonna do, I'll first select the file. With which file I just have to download it or share it. Okay, so this will be normal, no changes in there. I'll explain this one as well. Items in the same layer. If items there in the same layer, if you don't want that, means you can just uncheck it. If you want, we just check it. If the items are in the same group or block or cell, it's like if you are taking some AutoCAD or a Revit file, there will be some groups and blocks. If you want to have some clashes over there, so I think it won't be useful that much. Okay. Then items in the same file, it's very good. Okay. So then what I can say is this: you don't have to change anything. Then from here, what you can do is first just going to the plus button. What you want to do, you just want to select the mechanical file. Okay. Then at a selection here, you have just selected the mechanical file. At the selection B, What you have to select? Please tell me, so I can do.
Sprinkler.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. So I'll just click on the sprinkler. So there will be no changes in that. If you want to like hard and conservative, it's like you should don't want any 0 feet or 0 inches. I don't want any clashes. Okay, that is very hard. So you can provide some clearance. Generally, all the Navisworks BIM coordinators or BIM managers, they will provide clearance. What I know, because I have worked on these things with the SAPEC teams as well. So I have seen from them that they are using clearance option. So for professional use, generally they'll use clearance. Okay, while in the case of I have seen in the YouTube, they are showing in the hard way, but I think it is not that necessary. Okay, while when you come the professional view, definitely there will be mistakes on the man. Okay, so we have to give some clearance. Like I'll give some clearance to the people like 2 inches. It means there will be no any problem in the 2 inches. If some 2 inches problem will come, it will show in the clashes. What I'm gonna do, this I'll explain already here. Surfaces is like we are seeing in the 3D view, it will show in 3D view. So I have selected this one. If you are detecting the clashes in the AutoCAD files or 2D modeling files, you have to select this line option. So I'm not using here. I'm not using any AutoCAD file here. So point cloud is like 𝗕𝗂. I said 𝗕𝗂 and for laser scanning people who are doing this, you're going to use these point clouds. Okay, for class detection. This one is self-intersect because here you have used this item in the same file, so no need of using the self-intersect. Then about use current selection, I have already used the current selection. Then about selecting the scene means selecting the scene. It's all about, it's not that much used over there. Okay, whatever you are selecting here, you have to select here also. Okay, so I'm selecting this one, so there will be no changes over here. So what you are going to do, you are just going to run the test. So you have find some clashes. So see, it is showing you only the clashes, but I want the building as well. So what I'm going to do, I'll just explain it. See here in the display setting, you are having something called hide other or dimensions other, like dim others. So if you hide other means totally it will hide it. So what I'm going to do, I'll dim other, so the total model will show. See the use of wireframes, you can see it. I'll just make it this one as the wireframe view, and I'll change the background of that. It is not visible to you guys. I'll change the background to okay. You can see the clashes. If I just click on this clash, it will show me to the clash. Okay, it is highlighting me the clashes. Sometimes if you didn't get the clashes, it has shown me in the red. See this clash. See, I said you all the time, there are some conditions that the sprinkler should not pass into the duct. See, the Navisworks has read it and it is showing that there is a clash. Okay, this all the clashes over there. I think 127 clashes are there. Because why we got 121 clashes means it is like, I'll see the 127th clash. The 127th clash. It will show in the red view. See, you can see it, right? Red. See, this one is the clash of 127. Okay, that is the 127 clash. What I'm going to do, I can't I'll give some thing to the person, like I'll just rerun the test. But I want is I'll just do some tolerance here. What I'm going to do is I'll give 0. It means I'll give 0, that though I'll get some clashes, so it's not that much deal for me. So I'll then again return it. So how many? 35 clashes came over here. Am I right? So what I'm going to do, there are the clashes which I got over here. I'll just select the clashes and I'll check it over there. This is the basic work of BIM coordinator and BIM manager. That's all. Okay, he'll just select, see the clashes, and he will hand over the work. For example, from 30, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32 are the mistakes of the sprinkler guy up to 35. So what I'm going to do, from 28 to 35 are my mistakes of the sprinkler guy. So what he gonna do? So he will just select it uh, and press the shift key till 27 and directly go to the 27 class. He'll just press the shift key and just click on it. So all the clashes will be selected. So what he will do, here one option is there, right? New group. We'll create a new group. Okay. Am I audible to everyone? Because it's showing me internet is unstable. Am I audible? Hello? 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 Hello?
Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Okay, thank you. So it's all about it has created one group. So I'm creating the group like sprinkler mistakes. Then what I'm going to do, just I'll assign to the sprinkler guy. Hello? Hello, am I audible? Sorry guys,
Yes, sir.
my network. I think issues over there. Give me 2 minutes of time. I'll clear it. No, it's just network is stable. So I'm just providing this work to the. Please check out the mistakes and rectify it. Okay. So I'll click on OK. It has been assigned to them. Okay, see, it's showing me assign over here. It's assigned. Okay. So it's all about assigning it. Okay. And adding a command is not that complicated. So if you want to add the command, if you want to reset the classes, you can reset it. If you want to compact it, you can compact the classes. Okay. Then about report. So what you can do is creating a report. You need all the report means just click on the of the current test like this one. I'll just click on the current test. I want in as viewpoints or HTML text or anything you can take it. I like as viewpoints. So I'll create. I'll click on the as viewpoints and I'll run the report. Okay. Okay, it is creating the report. So, see here two view reports have been opened. See, clashes for photos, all the photos of clashes. Okay, if you want by HTML or text to A, you can take it. If you want for HTML, if you want to see in the that also you can see it. Okay, I'll just save it over here in the desktop itself. Okay, this is all about creating a report. Okay, clear with the clash detection? Clash detection is very easy. Okay, if you practice, you will get it. Am I audible? No? Guys, now is it audible to you guys? I think it is audible. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you. There is some network issue. Okay, are you clear with the clash detection or do you want me to explain again? Clash detection, I'll explain you again. Okay, what I'll do, I'll just add one text. I'll just write some text on sprinkler to electrical. Enter. Then I'll just select here sprinkler Then here I'll select electrical. Then I'll do nothing over here. I'll just select it and I'll run the test. That's all. And I got only one clash. So what I'm going to do, I'll just say approved, not a problem. So clash has approved. So it is showing me at the approved button that it has been approved, or if you're just changing into new, you can it is showing you new. Okay, that's all. Then if you want to make a report of this, means you can make a report by using here. If you want me to show the report as well, I can show you the report, what kind of report it is. See here, I got one report, clashes, type of clashes which I got. This is how the BIM coordinator will take the clashes photos and I will share them. Okay. Just hold on a second. Hold on a second. See, I'll show you this one. See, you can see that in the XML file. May I know from where I have to explain? Miss Niharika? From where I need to explain from a first? Okay. I'll explain you, no, not a problem. These are the clashes of mechanical. Okay, I'll explain you again about the clash detection. Not a problem. Explain again clashes. Okay, no problem. So I'll just go to it. Clash detective. There are two kinds. I'll just delete both two. So I'll create a new one. Okay, I'll just click on the add test. I'll just say some structural to architectural to structural. Okay, I'll just enter. Then what I'll say, I'll click here in the selection A, I'll select the architectural. At selection B, I'll select the structural. Okay, I'll just run the test. No changes at all, just run the test. How many clashes are there? 41913. There are huge of number of classes. But what I'm going to do from what I can say is 100 to, it is very showing very huge, means I have from 100 to first. What I'm going to do by using the shift key, pressing the shift key, I'll press the 1. This or the, I'll just assume it as of now, I'll just assume it like I'll just assume it as these are the architectural mistakes. Okay, clear. So I'll say enter. So what I'm gonna do, if I want to assign into it, I'll just click on assign. So to the architectural guy. Okay, so what you'll say, please check out the clashes and rectify it. Okay, this all about. Okay, so the clashes of all the things, this has been assigned to the architecture. If you don't want to assign, just unassign. Okay, it has unassigned to the. So when you come to the report, I want this all kind of reports. What I can do is, if you want the current test, if for example I had a mechanical as well as structural, both things, no, mechanical, electrical, no. the two as well we can take as separate. If you want both the classes combined, we can do as well. If you just want the current test, you can do the current test. So if you want in the HTML or as viewpoints, you can get in the as viewpoints as well. I have showed you. Okay, I'll just take it in the as viewpoint as of now. So I'll just write a report over here. It is generating the report over now. It is generating the report. See here, in the viewpoint, it is showing me one folder. Okay, here I'll find all these flashes. Let's say this one, this one, this one, this one. All kind of flashes I'll get it. Okay, clear. It's all about flash detection. Clear. Can I move to the further? It's easy, but you can easily get it. Ms. Niharika, are you clear with that? You asked one question, right? Clear? Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. What about others? I hope you like. I'll just take everyone. I'll share you. No worries about the notes. I'll share all the notes. As of now, I'm on the quick. I'll explain you everything. Okay. So I just want from confirmation from once. Okay. Lalam Jaya Sainath, I think you got clear about that. Well, once you get practice, I'm damn sure you'll easily get it. Okay, John Priya, just you need some practice. If you want any kind of help in downloading the Navisworks and getting some notes, I'll help. I'm sharing you my phone number as well. If you want, just contact me by anything, anytime. I'll explain you. I think okay, this is all about clash detection. So I'll just skip this timeline because it takes some simulation part. For completing the Navisworks manage, I'll directly go to the okay. It has come to normal to this, so I'll just move into the full render view. So what I'll do, because this delete this one. Okay, so what I'm going to do for quantification, I share material takeoff, right? See in Navisworks how fast it takes. Okay, see, it has already take it off this one. So what I'm going to do, this one, switch to item. I'll just little extend it. All kind of these things has noted down. See, item catalog, everything it is automatic. Okay, so I'll just, so what I can do is I'll put in the full number. So what I'll do, okay, so quantification is nothing but, I'll just Okay. It has selected the items. I'll just export it. Like if you want, what kind of you need to your one project or setup project will take place. For me, it has automatically downloaded. It means automatically we take the project setup and just I'll get all the things of the like this. Okay. What I'll do, I'll select in the. I'll just select the quantification, select corresponding test takeoff. For quantification, takeoff. I think it has selected over this. What I can do is, if you want to change the analysis results, you can clear the results as well. Okay. Then again, you can go there and you can change the select on the quantification and new catalog item. You can take the new one. See. See, it's very easy to take material takeoff in the Navisworks. Okay, see, what I can do is all kind of work has come over there. Just if I select this, all kind of material takeoff will come. Okay, what can I do is for this? As of now. I'll just here, if you want some updates or want to change some rows, like if you want to select it, if I have selected it, if you want to select the row, I can select it. And what I'll do, I'll just share it to Excel. I'll just put the date 24/10/2021. Save. So I'll show you here. So it is taking all the data. Wait for a second. So this is how the exporting takes place. Okay. I think it has shared it. Is my Excel sheet is visible to you guys? I think no. I'll show it here. See, these are the takeoff which I got from the Navisworks. All kind of stuff. Okay. All the properties, everything you can get within a second. How much time it takes? Only few seconds. You can take all the quantification. This is all about quantification. Then you come to the Nanimeter. I'll explain it. Are you okay with that? Can I take your 5 minutes? Is it okay? Sure. Thank you so much. Thank you. So what I can do is I'll give some best parts to you now at the last. I'll just walk through it. Go inside. I don't know why it is showing me to the wireframe. Button is open. Wait a second, I'll just open again Navisworks. So there is a problem with my laptop. That's all I can say. Okay, we are at the end of the session, guys. Please give me a 5 minutes, then I'll explain this animator. Then we'll wind it up. I'll just open it. Okay, I got my model. So I'll just select on this walkthrough command and go inside. I'll just select on the animator. What I can do is see here, guys. See carefully. What I am doing is I just want to open the door. What I can do is select this door. I'll just select this door. Okay. Wait a second. I'll just make it easy. Geometry. I'll just select this door and I'll check the properties. It is showing me the door number as 3021. Okay. And what I'll do in 3021, what I'll do, I'll just see here one option is there, add scene. Click on the add scene, click on here. I'll write the name as door 3021 for reference. Okay. What you can do is then what, go just little in front. So again select it, then click on here, add animation set from calendar selection. Click on here, then write door rotation. Okay. So for that I'll just move little nearer to it. So what I'll do, I'll click on this rotate option. So I'll get some gizmo like this. So at that middle, you should make it as an hinged option. Okay, it made as the hinge option. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one, like without what we do, just walk through. The door won't open, just it will go move on. The door will open, it will be stable. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open the door. Okay, and I'm moving over there, it will open. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just select on the key capture keyframe, click on here, and you will find this cursor over here. What you can do is click on this black and just move on to, we'll take some 4 seconds. So what I'm going to do, I'll just click on this, see blue, it is showing me yellow option. So what I'll do, I'll just open for 90 degrees something. So what I'll do, I'll just click on the capture keyframe. So it is showed me your thing has with the door which has opened it has captured it. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'll just click on the right click, then I will copy it. Okay. For just standing for that, it means the door should stand for at least 3 to 4 seconds. So I'll copy it. What I will do, this one is there, no? Just I'll move out here for this way, and simply I'll just paste it. So it is showing me that it will stand for 2 seconds. The door will stand for 2 seconds. Then what I'll do, this one option is called ping pong. It means the thing which you have did will directly come over there. If you just select over there, it has showed me that the thing which you have given to me, I have read it. Navisworks is saying. What I am doing is I'll just press on back. I can go directly or just directly rewind it. What I can do is just click on the button. See, the door will open. Wait for it, and then again it will close. Okay, these are the things, and I'll explain you about scripter. It is very easy for you. So what I'll just add new script. I'll just say door opening, enter. What I'll do, click on this on hotspot. I'll just say sphere, entering, and I'll keep the radius as 6 feet. Okay, I'll just for reference, or I'll take 5 feet. Then I'll click on here, add animation. So what animation, the thing which you have taken, it is already open here. So button, right on door rotation. So no need of any changes over here. So start as, take as current position, because we are in the current position. So take the current position, take as end. So here one thing is there. So on hotspot, we're on hotspot. See, click on the pick. So click on here. So it has picked the option. While you are moving towards there, it will open. Without asking you, it will open. Okay, like 𝗕𝗏𝗂. Okay, so then again what I'll do, I'll create another scene script like door closing, enter. So I'll click on the on hotspot. It is like living. So I'll pick up it, pick the option, and I'll write as 5 feet. Then I'll add the animation. Then click on this particular door. Start, take it as end, no problem. So what I'm going to do, okay, see, I'll go to here animation. I'll enable the script and I'll play. Wait, I'll show you how you can do. When I move over there, very bad with the box. Very tough thing is to do what. So when I move over here, it will open. I think we are not so I'll enable the script. When I move over here, see, it has opened. Then again I'll show you back. See, it is closed. So it has closed. So it is opening and closing. That's all about script. Okay. I hope all the things have completed the things. This one auto appearance profile at least takes half an hour time. So thank you so much. So any other doubts? Any other doubts, guys? I'll share you the.
Yeah, Thank you, Akhil. You just shared everything crystal clearly. So thank you so much for that. And I hope, guys, if you have any doubts, you can ask right now, and all the recorded sessions will be available on our app. So yeah, you can go there and you can check there, and you can ask the doubts by using the WhatsApp group, or you can directly contact to the Akhil to clarify all your doubts. So whatever the things you might missed or anything, you just go for the recorded sessions, and you can go for Akhil sir also for the confirmation. So yeah, I already shared the feedback form in our chat box. Just go and check there, and just if you didn't fill the feedback form, and you can go and fill the feedback form. Yeah, Akhil sir, you can go ahead.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. I think I have completed all the Navisworks application view and the tools. If you have any queries, please ask me. I'm having almost 3 to 4 minutes. If you have any queries from all the 3 years, like regarding explanation, all the things, you can ask me directly. Okay. Please share the feedback form so I can improve myself. Any problem with me in the speaking or doing some work, so please share the feedback. It will help me a lot. If you say bad feedback also, I will be very happy that you have given me something wrong in me, so I'll be clarifying it. Okay. So please do let me know any queries.
Yeah, guys, if you don't have any queries, please type N in the chat box. Yeah, so that at least we will get a confirmation. Please type N in a chat box.
I just want to have some questions from Janupriya.
Yeah, you can clarify.
Raja, Samir, Shivlalam, Pradeep. You can ask questions, guys. Even if it is not based on the software, if you have some career problem or career, you are stuck in the career, you can ask that one also. I'll explain what you can do, how you are get stuck. If you are not having some problem, feeling shy or there, means not a problem. I'll give my number and just call me. Okay. Already given you the number, again I'm giving my number. Okay. If you want the videos, I can share you the videos. Let me check the videos and I'll provide you notes as well for all the Navisworks software. Okay. Any queries from other side? Sure, but I will. Any other people? Samir. Please unmute yourself and talk. I will be very happy if you talk, because I like speaking to the people. Really, I'm saying. Especially to the students who are younger and would like to share this. If you're having some trouble, like I don't want to speak here, you can speak personally. I will be helpful. If I will be helpful, I'll definitely help. Okay. So that's all from my side. I've given you some time. I think you don't have any queries. Shall we wind up? Please share your feedback as soon as possible. If you share the feedback, if I got the feedback, I have a gift for you. I'll give you in the WhatsApp. Okay. Please share your feedbacks. Thank you so much. Ma'am, can we wind up this session?
Yeah, actually Anusha is not there, Akhil. So yeah, hi guys. So thank you so much for joining that, continuously attending the 3 days workshop. So which we started at a Friday. So I hope you learn more things, and so all the I already told you that the 3 days max workshop is also waiting for you to see that. And one thing I can say, whatever the so Akhil sir told you, so that is the most precious information in the BIM process. Definitely, whenever you, so I think you might not get the clear understanding what he is telling right now. Why? Because if you don't know the BIM actually, so you might some disturbance and you didn't get the concept. Definitely, whenever you are going to think about the BIM and learning about the BIM, so then again you can rewind all these things. Okay, at the time Akhil sir told this like that. So Akhil sir already covered all the important information in the BIM. Okay, how we can do the clash detection, how we can do the quantification, and how we can do the rendering, and how we can do the some door openings, and these are the some animation works. So these are all the most precious information in the BIM actually. So definitely it will help you. So try to convert your, if you don't have any wish like I wanted to be a structural engineer, I wanted to be a architect like that. So you can directly go as a BIM engineer. Okay, so try to learn the things like AutoCAD, Revit, and after that Revit structural, Revit MEP, Revit, and after that Navisworks. Then definitely it will help you to, and it will keep you in a top position once after the 5 years. So I hope we have a lot of scope in a BIM actually. So try
sir,
to.
I can say you one word and I can conclude all the things, sir. What I can say to the students is, if you don't accept the BIM, then you're in loss. If you accept the BIM, then you're boom. The next year is going to the next century, and next all the decades will be going to the BIM. Even India should have to apply, because almost all the countries have said that it is must. So if you very near, if you are going to accept the BIM, then you can easily build. ఏం చెప్తానంటే, మీరు ఎంత భిన్నగా యాక్సెప్ట్ చేసుకుంటారో BIM ని, అంత మీకు మంచిది, అంత మీకు క్వాలిటీ వాల్యూ ఇస్తారు సొసైటీలో, as well as professional life. Okay, now that's all from my side. Really, I can hats off to you guys. You just bared me for 3 days. Okay, మీరు 3 days nani bear చేస్తున్నారు, కానీ I don't know whether I could able to give you that much valuable information. I don't know about it, but still I believe that at least 2 to 3 points you got in from my take. That is enough for me. Okay.
Yeah,
thank you so much, guys.
You gave it a clear, and you gave it a very valuable information, Akhil sir. So thank you so much, and hope we will do a lot of the.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hope we will do the lot of things in the future as well. So stay. It will so help us to grow on in the process of BIM. So thank you so much, Akhil sir, and we will see you there. And hi guys. So we will see you in a